How to remove Instagram search history. For that, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Instagram from the Google Play Store or App Store of your device. You can simply go on the Google Play Store of your device. On the top search bar, you can simply search for Instagram. And then if there is any update option available, then do update it. If not, then you can simply open this Instagram on your device. After opening the Instagram of your device, you can see an interface like this. And in this interface, on the down right side, you can see there is a circle with your profile linked on it. When you tap on this circle, you will again pop up with a screen like this. And now on the top right side, you can see there are 3 vertical lines available. When you tap on these 3 vertical lines, you scroll down and down, you will see the option of your activity, which is on the topmost side that I've already tapped on. After tapping on the option of your activity, you will again see a pop-up of many information like likes, comments, and your search history. Now from here, you can simply tap on your recent searches and you can clear all the recent searches so that it won't be shown in your search history. And after that, what you can simply do is go on the help option, which is available right here. Tap on the help option. After tapping on the help option, tap on report a problem and tap on go back and check phone. And after you tap on this, you can simply report the problem and then send it. And then Instagram, you'll solve your problem within 1 to 2 days. And that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you liked our video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.